Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a textile artist and a costume maker working on Gadigal country, and my mission is to reduce textile waste. In this video, I'll be showing you how to care for your fabrics to make them last. You'll learn which fabrics to buy and which to avoid, how to reduce the impact of owning polyester, and how to care for natural fibres. Often you can reduce the need for washing simply by airing it out. For small stains, spot clean with a bit of detergent and a clean cloth. You don't need to wash the whole garment. Make up a bacteria-killing spritz to use between washes. It'll keep your clothes smelling great. What is a natural fibre? Natural fibres come from animals like wool from sheep and silk spun by silkworms. They also come from plants like cotton from the cotton plant or the flax plant for linen. They're biodegradable in their raw forms and have a much lower environmental impact than man-made fibres. Fibres made from wood pulp like bamboo are heavily processed but still considered natural fibres, and a better choice than synthetic fibres like polyester, elastane, acetate, acrylic and nylon. Synthetic fibres contain plastic, which shed polluting microfibres when you're wearing them, when you're washing them and when they're disposed of. When the fibres contain microplastics, they take hundreds of years to break down, damaging the organisms and ecosystems around them as they do. That's why it's worth knowing what you're buying. It is possible to find garments that don't contain synthetic fibres. It's a choice that's good for you and good for the planet. When you're buying clothes, check the label. That way you'll know what fabric you're buying and how to care for it to make it last. If you already own synthetic clothes, here's how to wash them to limit their impact. Cotton is popular because it breathes and is easier to care for. Following these tips will help prolong the life of your cotton and linen. Silk and wool are not as fragile as you might think. Following these instructions will help prevent this becoming this. Next time you're out shopping, these tips will make sustainable choices easy. Always look for second-hand first, buy natural fibres when you can, and avoid synthetics.